Wagwan!
Hey, y'all.
Hold on. I feel like my jacket not on right. Y'all, Miss Shepherd got me a new jacket. Look.
Come on, we'll show them my name. Come on.
Oh, wait.
Mine says Mrs. Shepherd.
And mine says Miss Howard.
Yeah.
Official. Yeah. Alright, guys. Y'all ready for some patois today? You ready for some patois today, though? Why do y'all be saying no after everything? No. Y'all be like, this up in it, no?
Yes, up in the know.
Like, yes, I know this.
Me need for pee-pee, you know.
Me not free pee, you know. My name Livy, you know.
Yeah, you have to put in not just we give.
Sprinkle it in there like parsley.
Parsley
Alright.
don't have no flavor.
Okay. You still be sprinkling on there?
A decoration.
Yeah.
Everybody
that's what the
pasta
Eno
have
is for.
parsley.
You put the Eno in there for.
Parsley people that make money off of you know, not have no sense of sprinkle parsley.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
First word of the day. We really look cute with these jackets on.
Yeah.
First word of the day is swimsuit or like bikini. Swim trunks.
Swimsuit. BAWT suits.
BAWT suits.
BAWT suits.
Is it plural?
Me sound like my says?
Yeah, BAWT suits. We are all putting on bat suits for Halloween.
BAWT
suit.
BAWT suit, living.
BAWT suit. That sounds like bath salt. BAWT suit.
BAWT suits. How much BAWT
Bath.
suits you have?
You saying bath?
BAWT, yeah. You know, take a bath at night time.
I take a bath. I don't take no bot. Like robot. BAWT suit. Oh, go put your BAWT suit on there.
Well, go put on your BAWT suit. Say it quick.
Huh?
So say, go get your BAWT suit. Go get your swimsuit on.
Go put your swimsuit.
Go put your swimsuit on. Go on and put on your BAWT suit.
Go on put on your BAWT suit.
Go on go.
Go on go put on your BAWT suit.
Yeah. Yeah,
Go on
yeah.
go put on your BAWT suit.
Yeah, or put on your bikini.
Go on go put on your bath salt. Alright. Wait, y'all say bikini?
Yeah, man, we'll have two piece.
Of chicken. 2 piece. We say that too, John.
Yeah, man, 2 piece. Yeah.
You got a 2 piece? You got a 1 piece?